Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Hey creatives, hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is safe and having a marvelous day. Also getting ready for Christmas. I'm still doing so. And right now, I am in my kitchen. And I want to do not a lot, just a little decorating in the kitchen. Right now, it's about 2 o'clock, but I did get up early this morning and I cleaned my kitchen, made my husband breakfast, and he just left about 30 minutes ago. So I decided to come on down in the kitchen and get the kitchen done since it's already clean. I'm going to give you a scan to show you that it's already done and we can start the decorating. Woohoo! So here's a look at the kitchen. As you can see, I took all of the fall decor down. Everything surface has been cleaned and wiped down. The stove clean, wiped down. All the cabinets. I do have my glass cleaner because when I'm all set done, I will wipe down the refrigerator again, the microwave, and the oven. But yeah, everything is clean and ready to be decorated for Christmas. Not only did I clean, I went ahead and mop the floor. Here's my mop water here in the dining room area. And when I'm done, I'll probably run the mop over this area again. I also went ahead and cleaned the powder room. It's clean. It still have the fall picture up because I haven't decided what I want to put on the wall. But everything is clean and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started decorating the space. So the first thing I want to do is start with the top of my cabinet. And I created this little DIY. You guys know I'm going with orange. So I added this jute orange ribbon to the little wreaths. And this is what I'm going to use on my cabinet doors. I have my stapler right here. And I'm just going to put a light staple in the back so it doesn't do any damage to the cabinet door.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history.
For my little basket of vines here, I'm going to go ahead and try to make it festive as possible with some of the pieces that I have. While I have my glass cleaner out, I'm going to go ahead and clean the glass on my cabinet door. While I clean, I want to take a moment to reflect back on the year. I am just so grateful for what God has done for me this year. He has been so good. And I wanted you guys to know that I'm thankful for you all as well. I know I keep saying it, but it's so important for you all to know how appreciative of you all that I am. I thank you all so much for all this love and support that you've shown me in 2025. Thank you so much. And this is my little teapot that came from my Temu haul. And this came from the Amazon Restock store. I think I paid like $8 for it. And we're going to use it here on our counter, along with these wooden salt and pepper mills that I got from Bailey's. And since I don't have a lot of holiday decor in the orange, I'm going to pull back in my fall picks that I used in the living room into the kitchen. And I'll just use some vase fillers to make it festive. I'll add a few of the small orange ornaments to the container to bring out some more of that orange color. I have a few of the white berries and some gold berries left. I'll add them to the vase as well. I was able to find a beautiful door plaque or wreath. It had black and white plaid ribbons. I did not take them off. I just glued on some of my ribbon. The ribbon was wide, so all I did was just cut it in half and fold it to go on the plaque. And here I got this bell, which came from General Dollar. It was about $6, and I buy one item, get the other item free. I put the bow on it just to bring some color to it, and we'll use this in the kitchen. These I got from my daughter from Target. She sent me to Target to pick them up. Mrs. Claus and Mr. Claus. I'm gonna sit them here by the coffee station, and this is what I have my morning coffee out of. Cute, aren't they cute? I think my little kitchen is so fun, so festive, and ready for the holidays. But you guys, let me know, what do you think? What should I have done differently? The pickup truck and the sleigh that you see on top of the cabinet was also a General Dollar find. They were $12. Buy one item, get the second item free. Here's a look at the powder room on the main floor. I had to make it a little festive too. My little picture DIY art on the wall. That's going to conclude this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll know when I upload new videos. I want to thank everyone for watching and have a fantastic day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Merry Christmas, everyone.